Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular models, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver a steady supply of ice, perfect for any occasion. The Sweetcrispy boasts an impressive ice production of 26.5 pounds per day and can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo offers a slightly lower capacity of 26 pounds per day, producing 8 cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. We'll also look at their prices, with the Sweetcrispy coming in at a budget-friendly $69, compared to the Igloo's $89. Additionally, the Sweetcrispy features dual ice sizes for versatility, while the Igloo focuses on a compact design, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Let's dive into the details and see which ice maker comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is the more affordable option at $69, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $89, which may be a consideration for those looking to save. However, it's essential to weigh the features each model offers against their price points. Next, let's discuss the speed of ice production. The Sweetcrispy model excels with its ability to produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid ice-making capability is perfect for parties or gatherings. On the other hand, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, producing 8 cylinder-shaped ice cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. If speed is a priority for you, the Sweetcrispy may be the better choice. Finally, let's compare the ice size options. The Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker offers versatility with its dual ice size feature, allowing you to choose between small ice cubes for cooling beverages and larger ones for cocktails. In contrast, the Igloo model only produces cylinder-shaped ice, which may not suit everyone's preferences. If you value having different ice sizes, the Sweetcrispy stands out in this category. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Igloo countertop ice makers have their unique strengths. The Sweetcrispy offers a faster ice production rate, more versatile ice sizes, and a lower price point, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize speed and value. Meanwhile, the Igloo's compact design and self-cleaning feature may appeal to those with limited counter space. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.